If you're trying to get your head around what a trimmer does in wall framing, it's basically the unsung hero holding up the header like a champ. So, trimmers are those vertical studs right next to the king studs, and they're there to support the ends of a header. The header is that big horizontal beam above doors or windows that carries the weight from above. Without trimmers, the header would have no solid support, which can seriously mess up the whole wall structure. Usually, trimmers rest on the bottom plate of the wall and are often doubled up to make sure they can handle the load. You want to make sure your trimmers are the right size and properly nailed in because they transfer all that weight down to the foundation through the bottom plate. If they're missed or too small, the header can sag or even fail, which nobody wants. So, getting your trimmer set up right is a key part of making sure your walls are safe and strong. One of the biggest mistakes people make with trimmers in wall framing is skipping them entirely or using undersized studs. This causes header failure because there's nothing solid to hold up the load. Fix this by always including properly sized trimmers right next to your king studs. Another common issue is improper nailing or spacing, which weakens the whole support system. Make sure to follow building codes for nailing patterns and spacing to keep it tight. Lastly, some folks forget that trimmers need to rest firmly on the bottom plate. If they don't, load won't transfer properly. Double check your framing so everything lines up and sits solidly. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Contractors also get a steady stream of work by joining their network, making it easier to grow their business and keep busy.